Hi everybody, Lorraine here. Come to play with paint a little bit today. What I have is an 8x8" canvas, and I'm going to do, well, somewhat of a bloom. So I'm going to start out with my Glidden semi-gloss and pour it in a circle. Make sure I have enough to reach my corners. And okay, so I have my canvas covered. I'm going to put a pillow of paint when my paint comes out right across here like this. And I'm going to start out with some turquoise. Have some medium yellow. And these are just my regular paints that I use. Acrylic paint mixed with Floetrol and water. It's my house paint that I laid out. And then I have my cell activator in here. A nice dose of that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my palette knife to swipe this out. And I'm just going to lightly rest my palette knife in that cell activator. I'm going to stretch it out. Like that. Wipe off my palette knife. Give it another swipe. Just very gently float across the top of the paint. Bring this one down a little bit. Did not quite pick up my cell activator right here. Just a touch down. Just float it in there. Just lightly bring it out. So, stretch it out a bit. Let it grab that side over there. Bring it back. Round that out right there. Gently rock it back and forth so that I'm getting everything together. Stretch it over. Bring it back. I'm just ever so slightly tilting it to get it to move. Now, before I continue, I want to bring this down this way. So I already have my yellow and turquoise there. I want a little bit more. Come down this way. Put my cell creator behind this. Don't need very much, just a little tiny bit. And then I'm going to just make sure that you can see what I'm doing first. And I'm just going to very lightly touch with my palette knife. And bring it out. I'm wiping my palette knife off in between every swipe. Kind of grabbed a hold of the paint instead of the cell activator, so I'm just going to replenish it. Oh, I dragged my finger in it. That's not good. I'll have to fix that spot. I can probably very easily fix that spot. I'll let that sit a minute because I did press in a little. Stretch it down a little bit. I'm going to pull it towards this corner to get rid of my mistake. Stretch it back. I love these colors together. They're so pretty. That turquoise and yellow made a beautiful, like emerald green color. Bring it down. Try and stretch out that way a little bit more. Okay, take a look at it. Does not really have a distinct shape. I'm going to stretch those cells down from my second swipe. You got to work very slowly so that you don't squish your cells and move it around too much. Just going to continue to move it until I see a pleasing concept. Bring this corner right down off of here. There we have it, guys. I think I'm going to leave it there. Very pretty. Beautiful cells. Nice wave shape to it. Wasn't really going for a bloom. Just going to see how it would work if I used my regular paints that are mixed with Floetrol and water with that cell activator. And I have to say it worked fantastic. There's some beautiful, beautiful cells in there. I see a little bit of a face right there. Might be able to embellish it a little bit. There we go, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, click on the bell, and click all. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you again. Bye.